Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to block Google Chrome by using group policy. This is my workstation, domain join workstation. If I can open this and I want to block this by using group policy so that user will not be able to use this particular application. You can block other program as well for different users and different set of computers, or I would say limited users or specific users on a specific computers. Requirement can be different, but steps will be remain almost same. There is nothing will be changed. So one more important thing I want to tell you, there is one service which is important part of this policy, application identity. Generally it is set to manual startup and it is stopped. So it should be started automatically or it should be start on a particular computer where we want to block this. So we will also ensure that this service is also running and we will set it through the group policy as well. So this is my domain controller. You can open group policy by typing gpmc.msc. Open this and you can create one group policy. You can give any meaningful name as per company standard. I'm just giving this. I can open this. I just need to remove this. And since I want to apply this to only computer, so I will add the particular computer here. You can add other computers as per your requirement, and I will just modify required things here. Windows setting, security settings, system services, application identity. So I will just set it to run at startup automatically. No intervention is required. And I will go to here application control policies, app locker. We can also we can this is required only for my purpose. You can also change this or select this if you want to. Here executive rules. There are some three other rules, automatic rules as well, but those are not coming here. Those should be under this location. So no problem, but they will come while creating this policy. So I want to deny. I want to deny from a single user. Again, you can decide how you want to do, for how many users you want to do. Accordingly, you can just set the users here or group. But that is my testing purpose. There are three options that you can select from. I will go with that. I can select the browse file, Google, Chrome, application, and Chrome. You can also select the folder as well if you want to. But remember, you need to expand complete, and then you can select whatever you want to, but it is necessary to expand, otherwise it will not work properly. You can select anything, browse folder or browse files, meaning any file under this path will not be allowed on the computer which are part of this particular application of group policy. Next, no exception. Next, next. Yes. Do you want to create the default rules now? Yes. We have created. This is my rule. You can also validate what we are trying to do. This will apply only this ln. This is the path. as well, no exception, leave it. Now I need to link this group policy. So I know my computer is under this location. I can just link an existing GPU. If you are not aware where your computer is, no problem. You can do two things to get this. You can just come here. You should know the name of your computer, right? At least client PC. Okay. And you will come here object, then you can get the location where it is. You can also use PowerShell to know where your computer is. Will it work? Yes. Here I can type my computer name. Before that I need to try get-ad computer. If it doesn't work, need to run a command import-module active directory. So here you can see distinguish name. So that is telling you where your computer is. My computer is under this location. Okay. So we are good till now. Link to location, security filtering is fine, double filtering nothing. Set, settings we can see what we have done yet. Okay. This is the path that we defined. The user is Alan. Here we can see application identity set to automatic. We are fine till now. Let's move to the computer. We need to just take one reboot, or let's try without. What I read. Okay, it is opening. Let's reboot. System has rebooted. We need to log in. And if you open this, you will see service has started automatically. And now this app has been blocked by your system administrator. So I want to say one more thing here. If your policy is not working as expected, don't worry. Just wait for some time. It doesn't start automatically, meaning as soon as you reboot your computer first time, it is not going to work for some minute, 2 3 minutes. So you can just wait, and if you have done all the things fine, definitely your application will be blocked as well. Will be blocked, I would say, definitely. If you have missed something, not able to see, you need to check whether group policy has been applied or not, service has been started or not. These are things that you can see. You can also just troubleshoot to understand what was the user, where you apply this group policy, whether we are logging in with the correct user or not. That is also necessary. Now we have applied this group policy to Alan only. So now see if same thing is happening with the other user. Not here, here. Okay. So let me sign out. I log in with different user, Tom. So we are logged in with user Tom, that you can see. Who am I? Who am I? Tom. And Tom should be able to use this because we have not asked this group policy to belong Tom as well, right? So we will see if can add Tom as well in this policy. Okay, so what we can do, we can just create one group, HR app blog. So I will add Alan and Tom here. Then come to group policy management. Security setting, application control, app locker, executive, this one. Now HR underscore app. Okay. Now it will apply to two users. Let's see if it works by running command. Oh, really? No. We run GP update force. Let's take a reboot. As I told in the beginning, we can define the scope of the group policy on the computers and users. And once you're done, take a reboot and wait for some time. It doesn't work immediately. We will try to open this. Yes. So, so that's all for this video. If you learn something new, kind like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.